my amazing craft artists. Today's a cool video. It's another sketch artist Fridays. Yes, it is sketch artist Fridays. And today's sketch artist Friday video is all about this kit that my sister bought back in the day. Regina Davis, she bought me this kit. And I thought to myself, it is dusty. It's been sitting in the corner over there for a long time. I've never really looked at it but once or twice. And I thought to myself, we're going to open this box up. Kind of an unboxing. Even though I showed this on this YouTube channel a long time ago, I thought it'd be fun to show you some more about this little cute thing that will help you out with being an artist or just want to draw or create things. It is called Pop 30-piece collection. It is a cute little girl. Look at that old-fashioned little girl. Just create endless looks with makeup for lips, eyes, and face, plus makeup, design, sketchbook, and sketch stencils. And these are really pretty, aren't they? Let's open this up and show you everything. Just create your own look. That's for a makeup artist design and create your own look. This is a cute little kit for like ages. I think, where's the ages at? There it is. Under 3 years old, you shouldn't be using this because there's a lot of small parts. But if you're over the age of this age right here, you should be able to use. I don't know where you can buy this at. This is an old kit that I've had, but like 5, maybe 6 years now. It's been a minute, so it's been a while. It's even dusty. I had to wipe all the dust off, you guys, because it was that bad. So let's open it up and show you everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. My name is IamDeeDeeCrafts. My life's a craft artist. Let's start sketching. Makeup kit, our makeup artist kit, and art pad. So let's open up. Look at beautiful colors right there. These are really pretty, the makeup. If you guys are into makeup, let me know down in the comments if your favorite makeup company, if what's your favorite style. Do you like a smoky eye? Do you like really glossy lips? Do you like red lips? What do you guys like? I would like to know. And if you're into these kits like this, let me know. I would really appreciate it. So let's open it up. It's kind of like a little book, you guys. You open it up like this and it shows you all the things you got in here, all the things you will need to make something beautiful and wonderful. So let's start up here. Before I open everything up, this is what it comes packaged like. This is what it looks like. It comes like this, and then you open this little flap right here, and it has all the little hair stuff, anything you need in here for your makeup kit. And right here is really cool. It says makeup artist sketch pad. I'll show you that in a minute. It says pop. Then it says create the look. This shows you how to create a look. And which one is your favorite? Are you bold and sassy, or are you just sassy and classy? Or are you into the sweet and tart, or sugar and spice and everything nice? If you like that, I love this kit. It's such a cute kit for all ages, in my opinion. You know, it says at the beginning of the video, 3 and under should not use it, but I love it. So let's go over here before we open that up and show you what else we got in this beautiful package. It's got with really beautiful shades. So right here, this is a chic shades right here, it says. And this is a little flap. You open this bad boy up, and these are all the beautiful colors. Look how pretty these colors are. There's white, there's yellow, there's brown. I don't know what color. It's a mauve purple, mauve pink. I mean, purple, and like a dusty blue, like a navy blue. And then you have all these pretty colors of lip gloss right here. This is all the powders for your eyeshadow, I think. And then this is like blush, and then more lip gloss. And then these are the lipsticks right here. And this is the this is right here really cool. This is a little brush that you use, that you have. They're kind of cheaply made, you guys. This little bow came off, but it looks cool. And then you have a little brush right there. And then let's close this back up and show you what I'm talking about. Because right here it says eyeshadows, lip gloss, blush, lip gloss, and then you have the lipsticks right here that you can use. You can tell it's cheap, you guys. It's getting you started for makeup. If you're into makeup, you would like this a lot. So let's go on this side over here and show you everything on this side. Let's get you excited about this. So right here, we're gonna open this up and show you. But right here, I have the little pad right here that has all the drawings in it. It says makeup artist sketch pad, and then it has the create the look with all the stuff accessories right here. These are the eyeliners right here. These are really pretty. Look at that bright pink. There's white, there's gray, pretty purple, this brownish color, another thick brown, dark brown, black, I think that's black, and then you have our purple. So I'm going to open this up, you guys, so you can see what it looks like. If I can get it open. I'll get it open, you guys, don't worry. There we go. So we can show you. Oh, I think I opened up the wrong way. I always do that. But that's all right. We'll open it up. We'll get it open for you to see. This is just such a cute kit, you guys. I mean, comment down below if you like this kind of kits. I really like your opinion. So, If I can get it out. See, it takes a long time to get it out. Packaging, this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. I mean, it looks like almost like a gorgeous girl slash from Prima Doll, kind of. It just makes you want to draw and create something beautiful and wonderful. If you're not into that kind of stuff, if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go to YouTube or Instagram or Google and look it up what I'm talking about. But these look like little dolls. They're so cute. It's just a makeup artist sketch pad. Pop is a blank sketch pad. Create your look. So this is what it looks like. Let's get close and personal on it. This is really pretty. I like the little drawing. It makes you want to draw even more and more and more. And the back looks like that, plain. So let's open it up to show you. If I can get it open in one piece. I always had a hard time opening these things up when I'm trying to film. Like, it doesn't want me to do it. Come on now. There we go. This one looks like a plain, beautiful character. She has blue eyes. This is style notes. There's eyebrow colors, lip colors, and cheek colors. And the eyes come in different colors. So that's like a blue. This is like a beautiful green. It's so green on the camera like that, but it is green. And then you have brown too. See a beautiful brown. Look at her eyes. So this is such a cute idea. It keeps going back to different colors. That is like a gray color. And it's like a canvas you can use to draw on. And I love it. I'm going to take one of these out and draw at the end of the video. But I love this. So that's what we're going to do, you guys. And I love this idea for us artists. So right here, let's go back to the beautiful, sorry for the noise, beautiful eye pencils. These are really pretty. The pink. So I don't know what color I'm going to use on this, but I can't wait to show you that. And then right here, I have these stencils, like it says at the beginning. These stencils are really cool. I made a mess on here. All the stuff came off, but there's the lips right there you can use. And these are the eyebrows. If I'm not correct. If I am correct. Those are for the eyebrows. And then these are the lipsticks right here. This is this color. I don't know what that color is. Maybe a purpley pink. And then I have this color. Yuck. But they're not my shade of color, so I wouldn't like them anyways. And this is really pretty bright fuchsia pink. If I can get it to hold it right there, you go. And then they look really cute. The packaging looks cute. Look at the little bows. Look at the design on here. Lipstick. I mean, this is cute for a little kid starting out, learn how to draw or wear makeup. It's called a makeup artist sketch pad. That's what it's called. And then these are all the things you will need. The blush and these are a little cheaply made. And then over here, let's look at the beautiful colors up close and personal. So like the lip glosses and the blush right here in the middle and the eyeshadows. So we'll use all this in the picture today. So let's pick which girl should we pick. Should we pick the blue eye girl or we go with brown? You know, let's do the very first one. I think she's got like a, I don't know what color that is. I don't know, kind of grayish color. But let's start with the first one. So what should her eyeshadow be colors? What do you think she's in the mood for, you guys? So over here, I have these eyeshadows right here, right on top. There's white, there's yellow, there's beautiful orange, there's pink, there's purple, blue, and light blue. So what should we put her eyebrows as, you know? I mean, eyebrows. We haven't done her eyebrows yet. Her eyeshadow, I'm not sure. So her eyes are kind of gray. Maybe we should go for maybe like this color right here, this pretty blue. And then maybe for her lips, we'll probably do a lip. Maybe we should do lip gloss instead. You know, that'll be cute instead of lipsticks. And then on the eyeshadow, I don't know which color we should use. The eyeshadow, I keep saying that. I mean the eye pencil. I don't know which one we should use, but she'll turn out cute. I hope so. I'll be right back. I'm gonna write the notes down right here, what colors I'm gonna use, and I'll show you everything I'm gonna be doing in this video. Thank you guys for watching so far. Hope you're enjoying this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell your friends about this channel. My name is IamDeeDeeCrafts, like I said before. So let's start coloring this girl in. She looks so cute, right? Pink slate, you guys. So I started drawing her hair. I'm not good at drawing hair. That's the best thing I'm going to do for right now. I put a heart by her eye, which is really cute. I put a heart on her sleeve. And then her eyeshadow color is sky blue. I think it's sky blue. I think it's really pretty. And the lip colors, I'm not sure when I'm going to do that yet, but I'll write that in. And the cheek colors, I'm not sure yet either, but we're going to get this done. I'm going to draw the hair a little bit, and I'm going to put the lips on there, and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like all done, you guys. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and I hope you like this kind of videos. I love this. So much fun. It took me a while to get this look, and it's not the best. So it's my first time ever doing this kit. I don't know if I'm going to do this on camera ever again, but I love how it turned out. The only thing I don't like about it is probably the lips. The eyes look the best in my opinion. And the hair looks a little messy, but I can work on that and make it better. So things I used right here. Eyeshadow colors was pink and gray. As you can see, I used gray and dark pink on the eyes. A little glitter pin I used. And also on the lips is light pink and a little bit of dark pink on there. And the shadows, they look wonderful. I also did the cheeks, really pretty pinkish mauve color. It doesn't look like it is, but once I do this again, I might do this one more time just for the camera to show you what it looks like up a pretty and make it a little bit better than this. This is the first time, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe on this kit. So all the colors I put, all the stuff I use right here. The lips I did use was I think this lip right here. Yeah, I think that's the right lip. No, am I wrong? Yeah, no, I think it was that one. And then I used the gray eyeshadow, like I said. I mean eyeshadow, pencil, eye pencil. And then I used this color right here to go along with it. Pretty purpley color. And then I did the eyebrow, this eyebrow right here. And then I used these glitter pins right here. And I used some color pencils in my pouch. And this is the blush I used right there. And this is the lip right here. I used that color and that color mixed together. And I didn't use the lipsticks. I was going to, but next time I'm going to make it so much better, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll be back talking to you more videos. In more videos. I'm so happy for this video. It's so much fun. I know it's a learning curve, you guys. I don't know nothing about makeup or drawing. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and keep crafting no matter what. What?